There's an Airbus, there's an Aero Wings, Airbus A330 landing right there. There's a, some type of Embraer. I don't know what that is. I think that's a Challenger right there. Some type of Embraer. This is a Janet Airlines over there. Probably going to Area 51. I wonder when they're gonna go to Area 51. I hope I hope the wind shifts. I hope the wind changes direction so they can start coming this way. Delta 737. Looks like an 800. Well, of course it's like an 800 or 9. Wait, did they have the 900? Of course it's like an 800 or 900 because that's the only Delta 737. I see. But I know they have like the 700. Just never seen it. There's a plane just randomly, he's coming in sideways. Where is he? Can't see it on camera. Maybe it's because... Where is he? Can't see him on camera, but he's there. Here he comes. He's coming in. There he is. He literally, like I literally just see him right there. He's just coming in. He starts coming in right there, from right there. Man, it's busy over here. Shouldn't keep it zoomed in for long because wow, that's a lot of planes over there. Another private jet. I guess this is like the private terminal. That's why they always land. The privates always land over here. Ah, crap. The prop is a type of turboprop. Does it say SkyWest? No. I think they only have like CRJs, some crappy regional jets. Yeah, that's a awesome looking plane. Holy crap! Did a dinosaur just get cremated? What the heck, did a dinosaur just get cremated? Because that pile of ash looks like a dinosaur just got cremated. Oh my god. Wow, everybody's high today. So many, there's like, I've seen like 2 crashes. Where's the other one? Oh my god. Oh my god, everybody's high. Everybody's smoking something. Oh my god, there's like a crash over there with a freaking bus and a car. And why is he honking? Idiot. Wayne coming in. Oh, there it is. The Allegiant. What livery is that? What is wrong with people? Oh my god. What the? Where's everybody honking? What the heck? Oh my god! Everybody's high! Everybody's high on something! Aero Wings billboard. Control tower. Old Southwest. It's the old one. That's the old. That's the old Southwest. That's the Desert Gold. Desert Gold. Desert Gold livery. The old one. It's the old one. I've only seen the old one in Infinite Flight. Yeah, it is gonna take off. It's entering the runway right now. 737, 700. Oh, there's another one. Somebody just blasted off. Where'd it go? I lost them.
They got a whole area. Look, 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. There you go.
They have a plane. I can't believe they have a plane spotting spot. Frontier. Southwest Heart livery. I've seen Illinois 1 at LAX too. Illinois 1. The camera quality sucks because they're moving, but it's Illinois 1. So I just found out that Lena Alpha Sierra has a plane spotting spot. By the way, yeah, that's LAS. LAS. That's what they say in their like pilot, I think. I don't even know. But well, I'm gonna end the video, and so I'm gonna upload this video. I'm gonna end it and then upload it, and then go and with that Southwest Heart. That's my favorite Southwest livery. So I'm gonna upload the video. So I'm gonna upload this video. Oh yeah, I forgot when Air Force One was out here. I forgot. Like in some Air Force. Last time I came out here, I think it was like Air Force One over there. It was like over there. I'm in that terminal over there. It's the runway. So I'm gonna upload this video. So I'm gonna end this video, upload this video, and then make another video when we're at the plane spotting spot. So bye.